Getting rid of this, hot and cold, bring them down here. Look how old these are. And then that's all we're doing today. Okay, step one, use a little Uponor. This is nice and sturdy. Took off the wall hung sink. So here's where it gets tricky. This place is plumbed all weird. So this is the hot, and it feeds the unit next door. So I'm gonna cut here, unsweat this T coupling here, and then okay. This is kind of a difficult one. So we had a tiny little piece here that didn't have enough insertion depth. So I had to solder this piece on and then install a bigger piece. I pressed this before thinking about it, so I had to cap it. But this is the hot line that feeds the unit next door. And then Uponor down. Everything's nice and tight. I'm gonna strap these right here, and then that'll be it. And actually, we'll do angle stops, and then that will be it. And that's a wrap.